Alright, this is just a quick measurement video. So I did an unboxing if you haven't seen it already. But let's go ahead and look here. It's 23 inches. Just over 23 inches. This little kickstand, you got about 7.5 and just under 5 on the length of that kickstand. Then we got a width here. Doing it this way so you can actually see it. Barely under 15. Actually barely over 15. Okay, let's flip this thing over to the different sections. So that part, 4.5. This is for anybody that wants to make something cool or mount it somewhere, just under 4.25, over 4.25. And then width, kind of tough to see the width here, or the height, call it the height or the width. It's just over, with the stand, just about 2 inches. Then inside there, and then outside there, about 1.5 inches, roughly. But its fattest is about 2 inches. Now let's get some of these items. Okay, we got the power supply. It's kind of a, let's see, it's just under 7. And then this is the thinner side. And then this is the wider bottom. Length, just under 7. Height, about 1 3/4. Now here is the router. So just under a foot, about 11 3/4, and 4 and 4, or 4 3/4. And then right under 2 inches. And then this right here, 1.5. And then that top section. And then this, it's kind of a weird angle. So if you're going to make something for this, it's going to be a lot of cuts, a lot of strange angles on this one. About 10 inches from the center of that trapezoid thing. There you go. I'd love to see if anybody makes something, uses these measurements for anything. If anybody has anything cool that they've made for their Starlinks, like a mount or some sort of permanent mount for a vehicle, something like that. It'd be awesome to drop them below. We'd love to see what you're making.